Sheldon Ellis. I'm a Vice President of Supply Chain for the Intertape Polymer Group. We're a company that manufactures tape, film, products for the housing market, generally the first or second supplier in our marketplace, operating on 2 continents, mainly Europe and the United States and Mexico. Okay. Our supply chain is a combination of 12 facilities. We've got 10 manufacturing, and that's a combination of producing product that moves to 2 distribution centers in the United States or direct to our customers. Our customers, about 80% of our business moves through industrial distributors. Makes about 2,500 different companies that we sell to. We have a portion of our business that moves through the retail channel and also a portion that moves direct to OEMs. The business challenge that we were facing, well, basically we had poor service and too much inventory. It's pretty simple. Our service levels from an on-time and complete perspective to our customers was in the 70% range. So obviously our customers were very unhappy. At the same time, our inventory was going through the roof. We were managing our replenishment processes, our planning processes basically manually. So we knew something had to change or we wouldn't have survived. We deployed Logility tools about 5 years ago, demand planning, inventory planning, and replenishment planning. We did that basically all at the same time, slightly through a phased-in approach, one module, but in essence as one package for us. First deployment was through our tape and film business, which is about 80% of our company. When we turned it on, it was for all of our manufacturing locations. And then ran that for about 3 years. And then we further deployed it throughout our business through what we call an engineer-coated products line, which is primarily the housing products and some woven products. Quantitatively, we saw improvements pretty dramatically, pretty quickly. Within the course of the first year, our service levels went from the low 70s to the mid 80s. Second year, from 80s to upper 80s, and then into the mid 90s in our target rate. So we did that about over a 3-year period of time. At the same point, our inventories came down about 30% over that same window. So very dramatic results. Qualitative benefits, the solution, especially the demand planning, enabled us to integrate an executive supply and operation planning process. One of the big disconnects that we had was, it can be fairly typical, supply chain and finance and sales all having different thoughts of where a forecast was going to be. Basing it more looking in the rearview mirror than looking forward on forecasts. So we've been able to take our demand plan, which now drives all our budgeting processes as well. Everything's in sync. It's driven from our Logility data, and it's both a rolling estimate through our quarterly results and then for annual and long-range planning.